Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our weekly oracle reading for cat parents. I am using a deck today that I absolutely love. It's called Witch Cats You Are Magic by Love and Above Cat Club. So, we're just going to check in and see what message from spirit, from universe, we need to hear as a collective community. Um, to inspire us, to encourage us, to nudge us in some way, whatever it is that we need to be encouraged, or just whatever message needs to come through. So let's see what that message is. Let me shuffle one more time, and then we will get on with our reading here. I love doing this. Drop a comment if you guys love me doing these readings, because I think they're really, really cool. So let's see what we've got. Let me cut the deck here. And all right. Beautiful card. Oh, okay. This one is called Cast a Spell. She says, meet Amethyst. This witch cat is a meaning maker, an energy channeler, a spellcaster. The butterfly of transformation is whispering in her ear, intuitively guiding her to weave her most enticing and aligned dreams into the web of reality. Cocooned in your heart, what wish is longing to be born? Amethyst is beckoning you to be brave and curious. Cast a spell and see what happens, trusting that it will always lead to your expansion and evolution, no matter what the results. Brew a potion of symbols, archetypes, and your incandescent desire. Take a sip, let go completely, and feel the ecstasy of creation. This is a beautiful message that we can create what we want in our lives. We just have to put that intention out there and then trust the process. So, what longing is in your heart that you are desiring that you haven't really gone after? So, Amethyst is reminding you to do that. Cast your spell and create what it is that you want in your life, in your world, for you and your kitties. So, that is it for today's oracle reading. Um, let me know how this resonates for you guys, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.